All right. Good evening, everyone. Another Sunday night. Gonna take a look at the markets. So most of these has already played out where I had originally sent in the signals chat, but just gonna do a quick breakdown as to what got me in this trade. So overall, this right here was a price sensitive area coming from the higher time frames, daily, weekly as well. Saw that doji candle was formed here. First, we rejected this area. Now, based on this push down, this is all due to news on 2 consecutive days, almost for 1,000 pip. So, we caught some of the sells all the way down, was anticipating a pullback. Now, based on what price was doing, price was here. Um, Friday, price close here, open and Sunday was still ranging in this area. Now, when I saw this candle close and created resistance right at this resistance level, I started to look into buy entries. Overall, I was looking at the pullbacks based on the play that had happened, with all of these areas being broken, looking for a possible retest. There's an area here where we might have a pause. Ultimately, price might make it up to here. Trying not to go too far into price, but just to give you an idea what I was looking for. So the reason why this entry was taken is that because price formed the resistance here, this candle came down, didn't break out of this zone. This candle started breaking the high. So the moment this candle started breaking the high, I was in for the buys. Currently, we have passed through 2 TPs already. TP1 was for 20 pip, which was just right here. So not a lot of movement on the measuring tool, but it's a 30-minute time frame. So TP2 we got there, and we got TP tool, which was 40 pip right here. And then TP3, we're looking right here to give us 100 pip. So we're pretty much like 2 pip away from that. Ultimately, I'm looking at this trend line here. It's a 4-hour trend line to be retested, ideally this zone. I'm more so looking at this zone as a target, overall long-term target. This is just about 300 pip up to that area. Ideally, that's what we're looking at. So this would be the breakdown that I have on gold. Did a markup for GJ as well, based on the push up that we had. So we took some sales last week all the way down to this area here. We're looking for some continued sales for this week as well. So we had our entry here. Now this was based on a similar bias. Now we had this fib going on from Friday of last week. So we got this pullback, completed our minor structure fib, hitting a TP1 right here, pushed up just a little bit, but had this wick to the left hand side that we're looking at to be filled. These candles went up and filled it. Then we got a rejection. We had hit TP1 already for 20 pip. Right here, we're just about to hit TP2 right now for 40 pips. Overall, looking for continued sells, at least to give us a double bottom on GJ, um, averaging just about 250 pip from our entry, and we're pretty much 40 pip into that trade as well. GU, this trade hasn't taken off quite as yet. We had hit TP1 already. It's pretty much based on the push that went down. Overall, we're looking to target 100 pip pullback, possibly 120 pip, which is TP5 right here, targeting these areas that were previously broken. for a possible retest. Could have drawn a trend line here. It would have just aligned with these TP levels as well. Now it's Sunday, the market has just opened. However, it so far it is playing out um, how we would like it to in terms of our trades. I believe we have looked at AUD, USD, similar position. We're heading up to hit TP1. Just again, looking for pullbacks based on all that move that happened this past week. All this move is based off of news, just the same. So we're just playing that right now. USD pullbacks on these pairs. Ideally, I have CHFJPY marked up as well. This is an overall buy that we're in. Waiting for a final TP here to give us 340 pips. As you can see, based on the entry, currently we're at 200 pip. So each time I've been entering, sending signals in the group, each time we play around in this area, there was a buy signal sent to take advantage of this. We're in the last leg of the buy, hoping to hit this overall TP on major structure. Um, these are the pairs that we have looked up. NZD Now this one. So this one was a 4-hour swing trade. We're currently still in this one. TP1 was hit for 80 pip. We're currently still writing it down, waiting to see what happens. So this one is gonna take some time, but we're still waiting, still in this trade, waiting to see what happens. Overall target is right down here for 295 pips thereabout. So just a quick update as to what we've been up to. It's been a minute since we've shared a chart on YouTube. So this is our outlook for the week. This is currently what I'm working with, and hope you guys get some pips this week. Stay safe.